A true classic is not defined by age, but by the way it continues to turn heads and command the road. The 1968 Mercury Cougar remains an unforgettable icon of American muscle car history, blending luxury, performance, and bold styling into a package that set it apart from its competitors. Introduced as Mercury's answer to the Ford Mustang, the Cougar was designed to offer a more refined and sophisticated driving experience, while maintaining the power and excitement expected from a true muscle car. First introduced in 1967, the Cougar was built on the same platform as the Mustang but featured a longer wheelbase, unique styling, and a more upscale interior. By 1968, several modifications had been made, including the addition of side marker lights, an updated grille design, and improved safety features such as a collapsible steering column. These updates ensure that the Cougar remained competitive in the growing muscle car market. In the world of classic American muscle, the 1968 Mercury Cougar stands as a testament to a bygone era of automotive excellence. Under the hood, a range of powerful engine options was made available. The base 289 cubic inch V8 provided a solid balance of power and efficiency, while performance enthusiasts could opt for the 390 cubic inch or the high performance 428 Cobra Jet 5.8, which delivered massive horsepower and torque. These engines were paired with either a 3-speed manual, 4-speed manual, or 3-speed automatic transmission, allowing drivers to experience thrilling acceleration and smooth highway cruising. In the realm of classic automobiles, few can rival the timeless allure of the 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Coupe. The interior of the 1968 Cougar was designed with comfort and elegance in mind, featuring high-quality materials, wood grain trim, and plush bucket seats. The cabin provided a more luxurious feel than many of its muscle car counterparts. The signature hidden headlamps and sequential rear turn signals added to the car's distinctive character, making it instantly recognizable on the road. Optional features such as power steering, air conditioning, and an upgraded stereo system further enhanced the driving experience. Over the decades, the value of the 1968 Mercury Cougar has steadily increased, making it a sought-after classic among collectors. Depending on condition, originality, and restoration level, prices range from $20,000 to $60,000, with rare models and high-performance trims commanding even higher values at auctions. Even today, the legacy of the 1968 Mercury Cougar remains strong, celebrated by enthusiasts who appreciate its blend of style, power, and luxury. As one of the finest examples of late 1960s American automotive engineering, it continues to be admired and respected, proving that some cars are not just remembered, they are legendary.